So there are a few misconceptions or myths, if you will, about ADHD. And one of the common ones I hear is that parents say, how can my child have ADHD? They're so bright. Well, ADHD has no bearing on a child's intellectual abilities. Very smart children who make great grades can still have ADHD. But what I do warn parents about is that over time, as the curriculum demands get increasingly complex, sometimes children who are inattentive or distractible will have trouble with the increasing content of homework. So that's something to consider. There's a myth that if a child has ADHD, they may not do well in college or they may not be employable as an adult. That's absolutely not true. There are many students with ADHD who are very successful in college and have great professional jobs and careers. But what they have learned is they understand what their symptoms and limitations are, and they've learned how to compensate their stronger skills for those areas where they may have more trouble. A final myth of ADHD is that parents sometimes feel that it means their child has a learning disability. ADHD is not a learning disability. What it does mean is that your child can learn at the same rate as their peers. However, there are going to be times when they may be distracted, or they may be disorganized, or they may have trouble staying focused in class. But again, it's very common for teachers and parents and the school teams to partner to help decrease these behaviors that might impede school performance so your child can be successful. So there are many other misconceptions about ADHD, but I think these are very important initial things to understand when we're thinking about ADHD and our children.